Yun guys, malapit na mag-7. Let's go na, baba na tayo. Shalak. Ganyan. Pag-motorbike lang ako para mas mabilis at mas mura. Shalak. Baka traffic na kasi. Di pa naman siguro kasi magsi 7 o'clock pa naman. Shalak. O, asan ka dyan? Naka-shorts lang ako pero nagdala ako ng anong tawag dito? Ng long pants. Just in case pumasok tayo sa temple and then hindi allowed yung um, ano to, naka-shorts lamang. Ayun, meron na dito. Shalak. Yan lang tao. Let's go. Hindi pa ako nag-book kasi mabilis lang naman eh. Pag nasa ano ka na, kapag nasa baba ka na, ay mabilis lang mag-book ng grab bike. Mabilis lang dumating.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine, even
Shalak. Nag-motorbike lang ako guys, papuntang ano, Marble Mountain. Medyo malamig pala, pero okay lang, carry lang yung lamig guys.
what a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine, giving my best, but I don't need one more try. Cause, baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of
Ayan. Dito na tayo guys. Wala pa halos tao kasi kakabukas pa lang. Ay, shalak. Mas pinili kong maglakad para exercise na rin. Pataas. Kaso nakakahingal. Buda. Para siyang trail pataas ng bundok. Shalak. Challenging. Kasi dito pa lang parang hinihingal ako ah.
what a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine, giving my best, but I don't need one more try. Cause, baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a
Ayan, let's go na. Mag-breakfast na tayo, mga shalak. Oh Lord! Oh Lord! Huwag na tayong umakyat sa executive floor. Shalak. Ayoko doon. Masyadong limited yung mga pagkain do. Socialin kasi made to order. Parang ano siya, ano to? may mga nagsiserve sa'yo, pero I don't like it. Shellac. Diba? No need na pala for card. Kasi ano lang yan eh. Shellac. Hello. Ayan, let's go na guys. Ayan, i-try natin guys yung beef pho. Siguro pang 10 pho ko na to dito. Nakailang pho na ako. Ayan, hindi ko na siya pinalalagyan ng anong tawag dito? Hindi ko na siya pinalalagyan ng noodles. Full vegetables na lang o dito. Kasi hindi ko naman kinakain yung noodles, pero grabe naman makalagay si ate ng ng greens. Dapat ang pinadami niya ay yung yung bean sprout kasi yun yung paborito kong shellac, pero dead mo wala pang lasa. Lagay natin yung ayan, kumuha ko ng mga
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only.
Yan, hello guys. Kakagising ko lang. It's already 5 o'clock. Shellac. Ayan. 5 o'clock pa lang guys. Shellac. 5 o'clock pa lang. 5 o'clock na ako nagising guys. Kasi after ko mag-gym kanina as in, inantok ako ng sobra-sobra. Nasaan ako yun? Wala pang elevator. Inantok ako guys ng sobra, kaya pinikit ko na lang yung mata ko, and then after that wala, 5 o'clock na talaga ako nagising. Shellac. Ayan. Right now ay dala ko yung bag ko kasi nasa loob yung laptop ko. Papunta tayong lounge ngayon. Mag-edit ako ng vlog, siguro isang vlog, and then after that, let's go to gagawin ko ngayon. Kung bukas pa yung grocery, bilhin ko na ngayon yung kakailangan nating yung parang coffee na pinapabili sa akin. Shellac. Tagal naman ang elevator. Ayan guys, hello. And nandito na ako sa lounge, and nag-edit lang siguro ako ngayon. It's already time for evening cocktail, pero sabi ko mag-coffee muna ako. If meron pa kayong coffee. Kasi di naman ako umiinom. Usually ang iniinom ko lang is lemonade or watermelon. Medyo nakakalungkot dahil ito na yung last day ko dito. Pero talagang ganun. I've been here for 4 days and I really appreciate yung mga staff dito. Grabe, ang babait, super very attentive. Lalo na sa executive lounge, very attention to details. Yun nga lang, ang ayoko lang doon is sa breakfast. Kasi yung breakfast nila kasi medyo limited yung mga pagkain. Kasi nga hindi siya buffet, made to order. Eh ayoko ng ganun. Okay lang naman yung made to order during the afternoon tea and yung ayan, pababa na tayo. The afternoon tea and then yung cocktail. Pero pagdating sa fourth floor, nasa na ba? Ang hirap, ang hirap ng pindutin. Ayan. Fourth floor yung restaurant nila dito, guys. Yun, very limited yung mga pagkain sa lounge. Especially during breakfast. Let's go na, guys. Ay, gutom na gutom ako. Di kasi ako nag-dinner kagabi, guys. Yung huling kain ko is yung afternoon, hindi, evening cocktail.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause, baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me.
Yan, guys. Let's go na. 11 a.m. na, guys. Let's go to the lounge for the very last time. Ayan. Mag-check out ako dito ng mas maaga. Kasi mas maganda yung hotel ko dun sa Koyan. Shana! At pwede naman ako mag-early check-in because I'm a Hilton Diamond. So, I can do whatever I want. Charis, joke lang yun. Ayan guys, last day na natin dito sa lounge. Shalak. Hinanap pa ako ng si Miss Lynn ng kung bakit daw hindi ako nag-breakfast dito kasi nag-work siya kahapon during breakfast. Pero sabi ko, hindi. Doon ako sa fourth floor nag-breakfast. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Very, very exclusive. Sabi ko, orange juice na lang. Magkakape sana ako pero nagkape na ako kanina. Ay, shalak. And then after that, anong gagawin natin after? Tayo ng pool. Pupul ako after. Inumin ko lang yung juice ko. Ayan, shalak. Dinala ko pa naman yung stevia ko guys. Akala ko ay mag-ano. Ayan guys. Ayan, ito yung view ko guys. Ayan, parang ang linaw ng camera. Ayan, we are at the 24th floor. Ayan. Ay, shalak, no? Gusto ko pa sanang magstay dito. Kaso, I have to transfer to another hotel. Gusto ko ma-experience yung isa sa mga Hilton properties here in Vietnam. Isa siyang small luxury resort here in Vietnam, Da Nang, Vietnam. It's a Hilton properties. Hindi siya Hilton Da Nang, pero ano siya, parang anong tawag dito? It's a Hilton properties, pero hindi Hilton yung pangalan. I don't know what's... Nasa Hoi An siya. Nag-iisang properties sa Hoi An. Nag-iisa ba? Tingnan natin. Kasi marami akong nakitang Hilton properties dito sa Da Nang. Pero yun lang yung nakita ko sa Hoi An. Ang pangalan pala ng resort, guys, is Namia River Retreat. SLH. I think this is a small luxury hotel. Yun yung ano doon, ng SLH. Login connection. Wala akong connection. Canva sa Danam. Wala yung connection ko. Ayan. Yan. There we go. Stay. Pinasabi ko naman sinabi ko naman sa kanila na yung check-in ko will be around 1 p.m. hanggang 2 p.m. Mga ganun yung arrival date ko. Or arrival time. November 15 to 17. Yan natin. Parang siya lang yung nag-ano sa Hoi An. Hoi An. Hoi An, Vietnam. It is 1 hour away from Da Nang City Center, guys. Magkano na ba siya ngayon? 15 to 17. Tingnan natin. 2 nights kasi yun natin. Hilton ba? Sabi. Namia River. Ayan. Nag-iisa lang siya sa Hoi An ata. Isa lang, guys. Thank you, Miss Lane.
Oh, sure.
I love your outfit today.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
because it's Saturday and we have two kind of uniform.
Oh.
One is the formal one and this is traditional costume.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, it's wrinkled a little bit because I mean,
It looks good on you.
thank you so much. It's Saturday, so
Yeah.
happy Saturday. Do you have
Thank
any
you.
plan for today?
This is my last day. I'm
Yeah.
checking out.
That's what I'm going to tell you.
Yeah.
It start raining tomorrow, so it's a good time to check
Oh.
out now.
Yeah.
What time is your flight?
No, I'm gonna be staying in Hanoi, in Hoi An for
Hoi
2
An.
nights.
In Moi.
Huh?
We have a IHG resort in Hoi
No,
An.
it's not an IHG properties.
Okay.
It's a Hilton properties. It's Namia River Retreat.
The new one.
Is it new?
They're the best.
Oh.
Let me tell you, they're luxurious.
Oh my god. I'm gonna stay there for 2 nights.
For 2 nights.
Yes.
So you're rich. I'm
Ah.
joking. They're new and they're expensive. It's
Oh
still
my
like the
God.
luxury resort. You
Oh
have your
Lord.
own pool if you book.
Oh, you
and
make me
It's they all
excited.
villas and suite.
Oh my god.
You have your own pool
Yeah.
and the river, the romantic river right in front
Yeah.
of you. So everything is very private.
Oh,
You will love it.
yeah.
I won't tell you more, so
Oh
you
my
have something
God.
to look forward to. I love them.
You make me excited.
I stayed there for 1 night in a
Oh.
2-bedroom villa,
Mhm.
but in each bedroom is a different view. So it's along the river.
Mhm.
Imagine they're here all the way from there. So everybody have a private view.
Oh Lord. Yeah.
Enjoy Hoi
Yeah.
An. Thank you very much. And
Thank
have
you,
a good day.
Lynn. Yeah. Hopefully this is not the last stay that I have in IHG.
You'll be back to us.
Hopefully with friends, with some friends.
Yep. So
Yeah.
you're solo traveling this time?
Yeah,
Have you
I'm
been
solo
vlogging?
traveling.
Do you
Yeah.
have a channel I can follow?
I do, but you wouldn't understand because it's in
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the sign.